What will you do if an apocalypse arrives? Or will there be any safe place when doomsday stands out? For these type of questions on mind, you surely have to know about doomsday bunkers. To get full information about bunkers, watch our video till the end. For the people who don't know what a bunker is a defensive military fortification designed to protect people and valued materials from falling bombs or other attacks. Bunkers are mostly underground in contrast to blockhouses, which are mostly above ground. They were used extensively in World War I, World War II and the Cold War for weapons facilities, command and control centers and storage facilities. Bunkers can also be used as protection from tornadoes. Say doomsday bunker, and most people would imagine a concrete room filled with cots and canned goods. These underground bunkers or bomb shelters are made from solid steel and built to last decades. When the apocalypse arrives, life goes on. That's the possibility some are preparing for, at least. In 2008, Larry Hall purchased a retired missile silo, an underground structure made for the storage and launch of nuclear weapon-carrying missiles, for $3 lakh and converted into apartments for people who worry about doomsday and have cash to burn. The purpose of a doomsday bunker is very clear. Fortified shelters built to withstand catastrophic events from viral epidemics to nuclear war seem to be experiencing a wave of interest in general. You can relate the purpose of a bunker with phrases like a savior from apocalypse, a shelter during nuclear war, a locker of lives, and many more. Doomsday bunkers can be of 5 types, namely trench. This type of bunker is a small concrete structure partly dug into the ground, which is usually a part of a trench system. Second is artillery. These usually house the crews serving the weapons, protected the ammunition against counter-battle fire, and in numerous examples also protected the guns themselves, though this was usually a trade-off reducing their fields of fire. Third is industrial. Typical industrial bunkers include mining sites, food storage areas, dumps for materials, data storage, and sometimes living quarters. Fourth is personal. These types are usually built by a person spending his own money and built for his own family. Fifth is munition storage. These bunkers are designed to securely store explosive ordnance and contain any internal explosions. Today, bunkers have been made a heaven for people with all the facilities a man could get in his life. We will list some very famous bunkers all around the globe and their locations. Number 1 is Vivo's X Point. It is the world's largest bunker, which is located in the rambling green hills of Fall River County, located near the Black Hills in South Dakota. Second is Survival Condo by Larry Hall, located in Kansas, United States. Third is Maginot Lines, which is located on the French eastern border and Czechoslovak border fortifications, mainly on the northern Czech border facing Germany. Fourth is Alpine Wall, which is located along the 1851 km of Italy's northern frontier. Fifth is Marinette's Bunker, which is located in Valle Olona, Italy, between the boundaries of Marinette, Olgiate Olona and Gorla Minore. Sixth is the Führer Bunker, which is located near the Reich Chancellery in Berlin, Germany. Seventh is Dauphin Bunkers, situated at strategic locations across the country of Canada, and also many more in the list of bunkers. Back in March, there was news that as the coronavirus spread across the globe, the luxury bunker company Survival Condos, which created survival condos out of former World War II bunkers, had seen a sudden spike in interest. What caused this? In short, fear. Folks were looking to quarantine, and these former World War II bunkers seemed like a safe spot. As far as COVID-19 goes, hunkering down in a doomsday bunker isn't any safer than just quarantining in your own home. However, the idea of luxury bunkers built to last through everything, including an apocalypse, is still going strong. A 200 square foot bunker costs $52,750 on average for just the bunker itself. Most bunkers of this size range from $37,000 to $65,500. Smaller bunkers may only cost around $19,000, but you could easily spend upwards of $8 million for a large underground shelter. That's it for today's video. You can easily defeat an apocalypse, a nuclear war, a cold war if you have a bunker to do so. Would you guys prefer a bunker of $1 million or just face an apocalypse? Comment below.